Namaste, this is Paramatma, yoga teacher. Nowadays we are suffering from the coronavirus. To prevent the corona disease, minimum we have to do the pranayama 15 to 20 minutes daily early in the morning before breakfast. So we have some pranayama practice. We have to put the Nasika mudra. This is for that, and also we have to keep the your spine, neck, head in a straight line and sit comfortably in the meditative posture, and close the right nostril. Close the right nostril and forceful exhale with the left nostril, minimum 20 strokes. Close your eyes and do it 20 times. After 20 times, relax for 5 to 10 seconds. Observe your breath. And other side, close the left nostril with the help of the ring finger and a forceful exhale 20 times to the right nostril. Again, observe your breath in normal breath for 5 to 10 seconds. This have to do that 2 times. Right side 2 times, left side 2 times, right side 2 times. Again, alternative exhalation. Use the thumb and ring finger, go on changing the nostril. Each side 10 times. Again, observe your breath. Again, once again, same pranayama, alternative exhalation, each side 10 times. Mouth should be closed. Don't open your mouth. Fully concentrate on the breath. This is the second pranayama. Third, we will go to the third pranayama. Adopt the Gnan Mudra. Rest your wrist joint on the knee and try to keep your spine, neck, head in a straight line and close your eyes and forceful exhale in the starting 10 strokes. Suck the abdomen and forceful exhale to both the nostril forcibly. Minimum first starting 10 strokes. After continuing the 3 days practice, you can improve the daily 10 strokes. Minimum you can do the 60 strokes. Forceful exhale to both the nostril. You have to do the 2 sets. Minimum 30. After 3-4 days. Again observe your breath. This pranayama helps to supply some more oxygen to your head region and improves the lungs capacity. Once again, same pranayama, Kapalabhati. I will improving. I am undoing the 30 strokes. Now, observe after completing the 30 strokes. Observe your breath. Observe in normal breathing. Observe your each inhalation and exhalation without missing. Your mind also comes the calm and quiet. Gradually decreasing the speed of the breath. Now, gently open your eyes. Next pranayama, Chandra Anuloma Viloma pranayama. Close the right nostril with the help of the right thumb and breathe out slowly to the left. Fully emit your lungs. Again breathe in slowly and deeply to the left nostril. Fill your lungs, use your full lungs capacity with closed eyes and breathe out slowly to the left. Fully emit your lungs. Try to do the 9 times. Again take the 5 to 10 seconds relaxation. Observe your breath. Now change the nostril. Surya Anuloma Viloma pranayama. Close the left nostril with the help of the ring finger and breathe out slowly to the right. Fully emit your lungs very slowly and take a deep breath to the right nostril. Use your full lungs capacity, expand your chest. Again breathe out slowly to the right. Breathe out and breathe in and breathe out makes a 1 round. Like that you have to do the 9 rounds. Right side 9 times, left side 9 times. This makes a 1 set. Try to do the 2 sets. Now, lastly, last pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi pranayama or Anuloma Viloma pranayama. Again, take the Nasika Mudra, close the right nostril, breathe out slowly to the left. Fully emit your lungs. Again, breathe in slowly and deeply to the left nostril. Fill your lungs fully, use your full lungs capacity, hold the breath and close the left nostril. Open the right and breathe out slowly to the right. Again breathe in slowly and deeply to the right nostril. Fill your lungs. Close the right nostril. Open the left and breathe out. This makes the 1 round. Try to do the 9 rounds. Again I am repeating. Again close the right nostril with the help of the right thumb. And breathe out slowly to the left. Fully emit your lungs. Again breathe in slowly and deeply. Fill your lungs. Close the left nostril. Breathe out through the right nostril. Again breathe in slowly and deeply to the right nostril. Fill your lungs. Hold the breath and close the right nostril and breathe out to the left. This makes complete 1 round. Try to do the daily 9 rounds, 2 sets. Overall, we will take this pranayama minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Try to do the daily and try to. Thank you.